Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, October 4th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, oscillator agreement. 555, inverted H, wide state, oscillator agreement. Impulse, correct. We're expecting an impulse back down. Here, let's turn down this transparency. Let's throw up fib here and watch how this price drops into these levels. I want to see how it reacts off the quarter 33% area, and it might get all the way down to the golden zone, which is the 61.8% retrace. So again, we're going to play this bar by bar, but I'm going to set this up ahead of time because I want to see how it reacts to these areas.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains and play this bar by bar as usual. We're about 5 cents from getting taken out, so if this retraces anymore, we might get knocked out on this.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $2. As you can see, the price is cutting right through the 1/4, 1/3. So we're going to see how it reacts off the 50%.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to keep our stop at $2 guaranteed locked in. I want to see how the price reacts to this area. Buyers might step in and try to push this price back up, but just the way that it dropped, if it does retrace, I don't see that it'll have enough strength and they'll get enough buyers to participate. So again, we're going to play this bar by bar, but as of right now, we're going to keep that $2 guaranteed locked in. All right, you can see that we're retesting out of the 50 moving average, so this might come up to the 21 and pop down. But since we initially closed under the 50, retested off of the 50% Fibonacci on our 2-minute chart, I would say at the worst case, this might come back down, form an H pattern, and then go back up. So if it gets back down to there and it stalls out, we might pull profits. But at this point, I'm going to give it enough room. This price might jump the 50 moving average on our 1-minute chart, hit off the 21 moving average, and then proceed to go back down. Let me actually show you. So we came down, we're going up, and worst case we might come down, stall out right around here, and then get ready to go back up. If it goes past that, we might have a chance to potentially go down to the 61.8, 66% area, close the gap, and or all the way down to the 200 moving average on our 1-minute chart. Again, we're going to let time do its job, but it's looking like the buyers are slowly losing interest at this price. So if that's the case here soon, we expect the price to just drastically drop.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $4 drop, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in a guaranteed $3, and we're going to see where it drops to on the lower levels. At this point, as you can see, the price is dropping close to, if not into, the 50 moving average, which is pointing up on the 2-minute chart. Our 21 moving average on our 5-minute chart is pointing up. So here in a moment, we're going to pull profits because I think we're going to have a hard bounce.
Order filled.
And there's 3 pennies shy of a $5 move today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.